Sully Candlelight tours are taking place very soon. We have 3 different interpretive periods that we'll be dealing with. One night is the Civil War, one night is World War II Christmas at Home, and the other night is the 19th century. People come in for guided tours throughout the house, and there'll be living history in each room. They'll be able to make an ornament representative of the period and take that home with them. They'll be able to sample cookies and cider. There'll be music each night. We have carolers, we have singers, musicians, dancers, open hearth cooking. Some of the nights there'll be activities out in the lawn, and our Father Christmas will be here one evening for visitors to take photographs by our antique sleigh. So I think there'll be a lot of things for people to see and do over the 3 nights. Oh, the Sully Candlelight tours are special because it's one of the few historic houses that uses real candles to light the inside and the outside. We use torches, we use candles, and we use lanterns. If people are interested in attending the tours, they can check on our website and register online. It's a pre-registered program, or they can just give us a call and we'll help them with their registration.